Welcome back to InvestPure Wealth channel, and today we are going to cover a story in episode 2. So here is the story. Recently we met a client in Nariman Point, and she was working in a railway on a higher post. So when we discussed about mutual fund, she said, yeah, I am investing and I am investing since long. I said, how long? She said, I think it is more than 25 years now, because she is about to retire now in 4 or 5 years. So she said, yes, I have invested a lot of money. I mean, I don't know how much, but yeah, I have invested some money, and for the last 25 years. Who is your advisor? Then she said, I don't know. I said, what? You don't know your advisor? She said, yes, I don't know, because he just came in my office. There were a lot of activities, and he sold something, and then we bought. That's it. Tab se main, I'm just holding that mutual fund. I don't know what is the value and all. You never checked what is the value? He said, no, never checked. Now that he was saying, I don't know what is the value, where to check? That was the, situation, like she doesn't know how to check the value. I said, okay, so do you have the mail ID which was registered 25 years back? She said, yes, I believe this is the mail ID. So then we got into CAMS, and then mailback services. We put it the ID, and then that mail come back, and she was astonished to see the value. It was huge. It was somewhere around 40 lakhs, and she invested some 4-5 lakhs amount. But if you see the returns vis-a-vis the active fund management returns, or active advisors returns, or maybe active distributors returns, is completely different. So when you put it and analyzed by the software, we got to know that she is getting a far lesser than the actual return which she should or she must get if the advisor is constantly in touch or distributor is constantly in touch. So due to this gap of service, you can say, from the distributor side, this 3-4% CAGR return is not there. So probably that amount which is currently 40 lakhs, that could have been more than 1 CR plus kind of money. So then we started discussing how we play a vital role in your day-to-day investments, how frequently we are getting into review. We do that review very frequently, rigorously, through the software, through software mechanism which is there, so that we will never miss that opportunity to review the portfolio. And because of this review process, you are going to get some alpha which is above the benchmark. So if benchmark is 18%, let's say 15%, you should get 18% to 20% kind of returns. So we told, and we explored all the processes which we are following to navigate your wealth in the right directions. And then she said, yeah, these things never happened with me for the last 25 years, because the advisor is not in contact. So he just sold something and then गायब हो गया, मतलब कभी आया नहीं, कभी रिव्यू क्या होता है हमको नहीं मालूम. So then we discussed in details, and then she finally got to know that what are the values of a distributor or an advisor. And then she said, okay, let's start. So then we got entire portfolio shifted to our platform, and then now she's happy because we are every 3 months we are going and meeting physically. If physically not possible, then Zoom meeting is happening. So she's really very happy now, and thinking of putting most of the money which she is going to get in the phase of retirement, if whatever money she has saved till date, that is going to be invested in new fresh investments. So this is again a journey of an investor, but there was nobody to take care, and she is under impression that it is being taken care by the advisor, but the advisor not in contact. So that is where I think people, those who have invested already, they should be worried about their own money, hard-earned money. They should follow up with the advisor. If advisor is not following up, you can change your advisor anytime during your period. I mean, if you're not happy with the services, if you're not happy with the returns, if you're not happy with the way the advisor is handling you, or the distributor is handling you, so it is very transparent. So thanks to SEBI, a lot of rules, regulations now. If your advisors or distributors are not giving services, then you can change your portfolio, and the advisor is going to lose his commission. So the commission is again distributed by all the asset management companies every month. So even if you are not satisfied in 6 months, 1 year or 2 years or 5 years or 10 years, in fact, you can switch over your portfolio to another advisor who is very active and proactively managing your money. So we request, like, if you are in the same phase, your advisor or distributor is not taking care of, you can contact us and we will definitely get back to you. Thank you for watching this story, and I think this story is related to you. Keep watching and we'll come up with some other stories in coming future. Thank you so much.